We get a lot of questions about how to grill seafood, or at least the best way to grill seafood. So we're going to do shrimp and scallops today, and understand this is a technique video. So the idea is that we're just going to show you the basics, and I promise you you'll be successful every time. All right? And I'm going to do the same thing that I do to pretty much everything I cook all the time. I'm going to do basting oil, salt and pepper, okay? And I'm just going to do a drizzle. So I've got a nice variety of seafood here. I'm going to season everything aggressively with salt and pepper, always fresh pepper. I've got my grill preheated medium high. I've brushed it. I've wiped it with a grill wipe just to give us a little extra insurance against sticking. Okay? And we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to throw my large shrimp on. These obviously, because they're bigger, going to take longer to cook. All right, so I've got the large shrimp on first, and these are our Belize shrimp. They're incredibly sweet. They're delicious. But what I like to do, because they're smaller, is I like to go ahead and skewer them. When it's time to flip them, I only have to flip them once, and they fit 6 shrimp on them perfectly. So if you're going to just grill shrimp for a party, you can go ahead and give everybody 1 or 2 skewers. It's going to take much less time for you to be grilling. And then my scallops are going to go on. Same idea, just right over the flame. So you got to work very, very quickly with seafood, because more than anything else, you definitely don't want to overcook seafood. I'll just get my dirty plate out of here, okay? All my fish is on the grill. I'm going to give this about a minute or 2. I'm going to season the other side, and then when I come back and it's going to be time to flip, we're going to be ready to go. All right, so it's literally just been a couple of minutes, and you can tell by the shape of the shrimp that they're ready to flip. You can see the tail starts to curl up, okay, and they started out shaped like C's, and now they're starting to turn themselves into O's, and that's when I know visually that we're ready to go. So I'll give them a flip, and there you go. Exactly what we're looking for. And you can see the contrast in color. You know, these are almost like bluish gray, and then you've got that nice red color that we all associate with shrimp, and that's what we're looking for right there. So I'll just go ahead and flip all these larger shrimp over. Okay? And really at this point, they're more than halfway done. So it's not going to take much longer for me to get where we want to go. You can see they're actually starting to even tighten up a little bit more. But you can see these smaller shrimp, when you have it on a skewer, perfect, okay? I just did 6 shrimp that quickly, okay? And these are really going to cook faster than anything else. So I want to go ahead and I want to get my plate ready. And I'll go back and we'll take a look at the scallops real quick. And perfect, okay? I'll just go ahead and flip those over. You can see we got the nice grill mark. Okay, and there's our scallops, and everything's going to be done pretty quickly. Okay, I'm going to lose these tongs. Now that everything's cooked, I got some clean tongs here. Seafood, we're looking for a finish temperature of 140 degrees, okay? So what I want to look for here is about 130 degrees, because they're going to continue to carry over just like anything else that we cook. It won't stop cooking when we pull it off the grill, okay? That's perfect. That's what I want. All right, same thing with our large shrimp here. I'll take one of my larger ones. Same idea, perfect. When we're properly cooking something, and for this season, when we're properly grilling something, we're looking for that finished temperature, okay? That final temperature for seafood is 140 degrees, okay? So we don't want to wait till they're 140 degrees before we pull them off the grill. We want to go, you know, 5 to 10 degrees under. So I'm looking for 130 for me, and now what I want to do is I just want to let these rest for 2 minutes before I serve them. That's going to get them right up to where we need them to be, okay? One more time. Okay, just to keep it consistent, I'll look at my scallops, same idea here, and right off they come. Okay, we'll make a little room for our scallops, line them up pretty, basting oil, salt, pepper, a thermometer. You're gonna be successful every single time.